Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TransUnion to set up a credit lock for card protection, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install TransUnion for setting up a credit lock, begin by downloading the TransUnion mobile app from your device's app store. Open the app once the installation is complete. Create an account if you do not already have one. You will need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once you've filled in your details, review the terms and conditions. Agree to the terms to continue with the registration process. Next, create a secure password to protect your account. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity, such as answering security questions. After verification, log in to your new TransUnion account. Navigate to the credit lock feature in the app's main menu. Select the option to lock your credit report. Read through the information provided about credit locking and its benefits. Confirm your decision to lock your credit. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit is now locked. Make sure to keep your login information secure for future access. To unlock your credit in the future, return to the TransUnion app. Follow a similar process to navigate to the unlock feature when needed. Remember to regularly monitor your credit report for any discrepancies. You are now set up with a credit lock through TransUnion for enhanced card protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.